Okay, guys, so we're here. Just take a look at this drone once. Look around at it. My God, it just looks amazing.
This looks awesome. I can't
So yeah,
wait to buy it.
let's buy it in 3, 2. Welcome to my channel. This is UC Gaming, and in today's video, yep, that's right. The new update is finally out.
It
We're
was so late. It came out so late.
Yeah, it's like 1 a.m. friends. It's really late. But basically, so we're gonna be able to copy them, and you guys can first see over here. There's the new garage where basically there's new mobile garage, or the normal mobile garage now called premium garage, and then everybody has a mobile garage. I think that's how it
But
should
not exactly the same. You can
yeah,
only
something
go-
like that. And then there's supposed to be a new gun shop, and then wait.
There's many things.
Can we just go inside first real quick? I want to see if we can still get the guns from here. Okay, those guns look the exact same.
The
Yeah.
menu. If we go to the gun shop, it'll take us to a menu.
It should take us to a menu, and also the minimap is not changed. It's on fall colors.
Oh my god! It's like very like.
Darkest. They should make the minimap be able to cover the whole screen. But yeah, also there's a tutorial for like noobs. We can't show that right now. We're level 40. I think we're too high level. Oh, mobile garage looks different.
It looks so different. Like
They changed the
really
order,
different.
right? This first. And there's Jeep, then there's Command, and then there's SWAT Band,
Oh
Pickup,
my
Beja.
god! No,
Model,
I don't like this.
Ray.
Oh, I really don't like this.
Oh wait, oh it's so small. Oh, Morton's is right at the end.
No, I really don't like this. I really
No,
don't
I'm not a
like
fan of this. Someone from the other team again.
No.
Wait. Oh, and it shows how much. We don't own the monster truck, and it says 1 million.
What do we not? Oh, I think this is all the vehicles we own.
No, fire truck is there. I think it just shows like
All the vehicles.
it shows all the vehicles
Which are presently in the game, because all the vehicles like the
and Arachnid and stuff aren't in the game.
So they're not showing that.
So
Okay.
any vehicle which is in the game, wait, that means any retired vehicle you can't spawn it anymore.
Trying to spawn a vehicle, but
God, go away, Crims. But yeah, I think that means that you
Leave
can't
me.
spawn any retired vehicle anymore. It's like
no, unless you have it. If you have it, then you
yeah,
can.
if you have it, you can spawn
There
it.
we go. We have one, right? We ended the game.
Okay. So now, yeah, let's just go to the gun shop real quick first. Let's go. Wait, just look from the outside. Look at that.
There's no gun. There's like this big rectangular.
I think you have to
thingy.
stand inside the rectangle. Wait.
Oh wait. Okay, just go here. Oh.
Wait.
Okay.
Wait. Can we walk out with this? Oh, okay. The second you leave. So I mean, okay, wait. So
this big
we
rectangle.
already have pistols. Wait. If you click on unequip, the pistol goes away.
We don't need the pistol. We don't want the pistol.
Okay, so we're just gonna unequip the pistol. Wait, then let's look through the stuff.
Let's look through what. How do we look through?
How do we scroll?
Okay,
Oh, okay,
so-
down here.
I'm letting us scroll. Hello. It's logged. Okay. Oh,
Okay, there we
now
go.
it's letting us scroll.
Okay,
It's a
so
50
we
AK.
don't have the revolver or the flintlock. I think that's why it's saying to buy it. Let's equip the AK. Then let's just
Then
equip
there's
the
a
Uzi.
frame outside.
And then it says here you have to be level 3. Oh, so for the force launcher you have to be level 3. It says everything. For the sniper you have to be level 10. It says everything.
All that stuff. What is
Okay.
this? I think
This
these are
is-
explosives.
Okay,
I think
oh,
we want
rocket
rocket.
ammo. It's only 1,000.
Yeah, actually, what they made it as, they said you have to buy per rocket. You can buy one rocket. You can buy continuously rocket. If
Wait,
you want
so-
to buy
wait.
rockets, you want to buy one rocket, two rockets.
Wait, so
Same
let's
with
just
grenades.
check that out.
Same
We
with
have
grenades.
one rocket right now.
So just blow it up.
No, wait. So let's go. Wait.
Okay,
Give us
let's
the
go
thing again.
Go out and go it. Give us the.
Okay. So now if we go and we buy
We
rocket
buy-
ammo,
Let's just click on the 1,000. Okay.
1,000 cash. Okay, so you have to
So
click
now-
on it. And now
now
if we
I
go to a rocket, we have 2.
Oh, so we
So
got
it's
it
1,000 per rocket. It's not like
That's 10,000. But
So
so,
means-
suppose you don't want so many rockets. You just want like.
let's say you only
rockets.
want one rocket because you already have like 7
And if
or
you
8
want, you
rockets.
can just spam click it and then you just buy it.
Probably, yeah.
That's how it is.
Okay, and then there's grenade ammo.
Yeah, you
500
can
per
buy only
grenade.
one a grenade, 2 grenades, 3 grenades.
So there's 500 per grenade. And what's plus? Oh, it's flashlight ammo.
I've never used these.
It's 5,000.
Nah, it's okay. So that's the guns. It's so much easier, but because it's so much easier because everything is there. You don't have to go to like the middle
Yeah,
of
you
the
don't
map
have to like
or
search for
anything.
stuff. Right. It's a lot easier. We're not gonna rest.
Yeah, we're just gonna be
Yeah.
nice.
It's gonna be nice.
Oh, they have the new car. Okay.
Okay.
That was a spoiler.
We
That was
can't
a
show you
spoiler.
guys that. No,
Okay.
go away from us, guys.
No,
No!
no.
We're
Okay,
looking at the
that's a
floor.
spoiler. Oh, no,
No.
why is it following us?
Okay,
Let's
we didn't see
spoil
it
it.
much.
We
So
didn't
it's
see
okay.
it much. Yes, we did. We don't want to spoil for ourselves.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll go to the one way.
So yeah, you guys know where we're going next. The 1 million dealership.
Hi.
Reveal in 3, 2, 1.
Oh, wait.
Here's the new drone vehicle, guys. Oh wait.
Okay. Oh my god. It
Oh
looks so
my
good.
god.
It's like so thick and nice.
I think it will fit actually. Look at this.
Look at this. You see those like that's like a thing. I don't know what it's called. It just looks very nice.
Propellers. Oh, it's like a hoverboard.
It's like a hoverboard but into a flying vehicle.
Oh my
Okay.
god. Okay.
Okay.
Guys, look around at it. Look around. Okay, guys. So we're here. Just take a look at this drone once. Look around at it. My god, it just looks amazing.
This looks awesome. I can't
So yeah,
wait to buy it.
let's buy it in 3, 2, 1. Buy drone.
It doesn't last a million, but it's okay. It's fine. Oh my god.
Oh, the propeller
That is like
spin.
an actual drone.
The controls are exactly like the old blade.
Yeah, but it feels so like new.
It feels faster too.
Oh, the diving looks really good.
Now for the first test,
That's
I think it increases and decreases.
Going down and up is really hard. When I go E, I have to hold E and
I
down.
think it's slow. I think
It's
it
a high
increases.
It's the high speed. Oh,
It's
same
not
as the
bad.
blade. Same as the blade.
Yeah.
Let's get in. Okay.
Okay, guys. So if you guys look, it's
You
gonna
can-
fit.
It's easily good. I'm a cop. so
We're cops, but it doesn't open. But yeah, easily fits.
easily.
Okay,
It
guys.
looks really big, but okay, that's like 50.
And also, guys,
The turning and everything, acceleration is really slow. So it's a
The
bit
turning is
hard,
pretty slow,
pretty slow.
and the increasing in height is slow, but it's fast.
Acceleration was a bit slower than the blade, but,
But
it's
look
okay.
at this.
It's good.
This is
Okay,
good
I
speed. In like a
just-
2.
Oh wait, it increased. Okay, but increasing speed like drastically.
It's definitely way faster than the blade at max speed.
Acceleration slow, turning slow, speed very.
It's
Good.
way faster than the old blade.
Oh my god, it's still increasing speed. I can feel it. It's okay. I think
This is really cool.
Oh wow, it's.
I think
fast.
we just reached max speed.
Oh, wow,
so
this
yeah,
This
that's
is really
good.
fast.
But yeah, now we have to switch to Crim Team to show you the next thing.
Okay, we just switched. We have the.
Okay, guys, so we switched.
drone.
We took the drone.
Oh, it sounds so different. Like I keep like urge to saying blade, but then it's drone. Okay.
Yeah,
The drone. Okay.
we're gonna go to museum and we're gonna show you guys the new
If it's
Boxer
open,
convertible.
Boxer convertible. There's many things. Okay, there's people in the museum.
First let's show you the convertible. You don't need to care too much about
Oh
it
my
already.
god, it looks like so much better.
It definitely looks better than the old Porsche. It has a thing on top of
Oh,
it.
it's like the Jeep. It has like the
Thing on
roof.
yeah,
It's
wait.
like- and it put the roof in.
It's only 55k. I think it
Wait,
would be
wait.
65.
I already bought it. Why should I buy it again?
This is a new car. It's not
Oh
the
yeah,
same thing.
right. It's a Boxer convertible. It's not the Porsche. Okay, I thought it's a revamp. Okay, so new car. Let's buy it real quick.
It's only 55k.
And the Porsche is 70k and it looks so much worse.
So yeah,
Yeah.
3, 2, 1. Bye.
Let's just see how it is. We're not gonna be. I mean,
Let's just customize it real
the
quick.
back looks good.
It looks pretty good actually. It doesn't look bad. It's definitely faster.
But it-
Oh, the acceleration is good.
Good.
Wait, let's just get onto the road real quick. We're gonna leave behind the drone real quick. Wow, this is fast acceleration, especially for being on like the
And
sand.
then the controlling is good. Let's go to the drone.
So yeah, we'll meet you at the 1 million dealership real quick. Guys, so we're inside MSM and we're just gonna grab bones and let's see if there's like a tier thing or something. 1 kg out of 10 kgs. Oh, and there's tiers.
Before
Wait,
it used to be 5.
we used to get 8.
No, before the normal, what the tweet was
Wait.
that you get double of what you get. So normal players who don't have double bag get 5 kg. I'm getting 10 kg.
So that means normal players get 5 kg. Wait, let's just see what each of the tiers is. Tier 1 is probably normal player. So we'll check that tier. Yes.
Okay.
Wait,
we're at
wait.
So that's first.
Oh, wait, that means 5 kgs. Wait,
not-
let's grab
that's
another
not fair.
picture.
Wait.
Painting still give 4 kgs. That's still good. I don't think he changed the values of anything.
Oh wow.
9 kgs is tier 3. That means tier 2 is probably 8 kgs and tier 1 is 7 kgs. Probably. We're gonna log on to Whipawesome account and then we're gonna check some stuff because we don't have any Robux on Whipawesome. But yeah, 10 kgs and let's see if this gives us 7,000 cash.
It should give us 8,000 because 5 kgs is 4,000.
Wait, let's just take the Boxer. It's not a bad car actually. We like it. You guys should definitely buy it. It's pretty good.
Oh my
But
god.
we're gonna do a
this
speed
is
test.
it. Then bank something known as the floor blue vault gives 3,005 for normal people who don't have the duffel bag. Will give me 7,500.
That's a lot.
What about cops? Simon, you don't think of them? They
He-
barely get the cash.
He literally buffed cops in the last update. Now he just buffed crims times like 10.
That's true. But yeah, oh my.
You know what I mean?
What, I thought he's trying to balance the thing. I don't know what he's going for. Don't tell me that's a cop.
It's not. There's no one on the video.
Okay.
Okay, guys. So we're getting in.
The
Wait,
voting.
these people are still robbing museum for 4,000.
Probably they don't have the.
No, that means normally it's still 4,000. We get
Oh
8,000
my
cash from
God,
the
oh
museum.
my God.
Museum now gives 8,000 cash for only duffel bag. We don't have VIP or anything, and gave us 8,000 cash. So that
Wow.
means people with VIP might get like 9,000.
What? That's almost 10k. Let's just say that's
10K. We're just gonna say it as
If you
10K.
have 10 museums, you get literally 100k. What about
10,
cops?
if you rob museum 10 times, you get 100k. Done. Oh my
What?
god. Asimo.
What? What did you do?
Okay, let's go to
He
jewelry
just-
store now.
He just made jailbreak so OP. Like for criminals.
We're gonna get the drone and then we're gonna go to
Yeah,
jewelry store.
drone. A trusty drone which we waited for ages because we did not like the blade going.
The Blade. I mean, it was such a good car.
Copyright issues, man. It's okay.
Which is what we're assuming
That's mostly what it
it
is.
is.
Can't know.
Yeah, let's go to jewelry store now. This was a robbery. We're gonna get it.
Hopefully, there's no Catholic cops or people don't like just. Oh my god.
Also, we're also checking out. It seems jewelry store gives you less money.
Yeah, because 2,000 double is 4,000, and you only get double. So 4,000. Yeah.
From 5,000, we might be going to 4,000. Yeah. Let's
That's
just do all this
kind of
hobby real quick.
balanced because museum gives you 8,000. People who are double bag. 8,000. That's a lot of cash.
That means stuff like presidential vault. It gives 4,500 for normal people. So
And
it gives
gives-
5,000 for normal people. Oh no, 4,500.
4,500.
It gives 4,000 for non-duffel bag.
4,500.
So that means it gives like 9,000.
Oh my god.
Presidential vault gives more than MSM. Without.
I mean, presidential vault is much harder.
Than MSM, obviously. Let's just see now. This is the big
It
moment.
should show 4,000. Yeah.
Out of 4,000. Also, we can see how much each tier is.
Okay, now we can see it. I mean, now we can see this.
Normally, we'd be done now.
We'll be done. So the first tier is still not out yet. So first tier is.
First tier is probably 2,500 around.
Let's punch this. Because it's not reaching. It's just saying. Yeah, it's 3,000.
First tier is 3,000. Second tier is probably.
Okay, so
These tiers are confusing.
I'm very confused because they're not like landing at the exact place. I think in bank we can properly see this because it like
Yeah,
comes
it'll
like
come exactly.
550s.
But then
Yeah.
we don't have keycard. Well, that's
I mean,
fine.
it's kind of better because people who are duffel bag had to wait for the Jews to come and it took ages for the Jews to come and to punch them.
Yeah, that's true. It did take a long time.
So
5,000.
1,000 less is okay, but
Because it's two less boxes.
because already museum gives a lot.
Yeah,
I
museum gives
I
a
can't get over the
lot.
fact that it gives so much.
If museum gives 8,000. That's a lot.
Like a lot, like a lot. That would be grind like quick. Really.
That's true. Grinding is a lot easier now, probably. If you have duffel bag, that is. If you have duffel bag, grinding is a lot easier.
I'm in the only person who knows. This is the glitch. Look. The drone. The long-lived drone.
Yeah. So yeah, let's just turn in this money and then we'll switch on to Whip Awesome. Wait guys, so we just clicked on Mobile Garage and this is what it shows us. Purchase Premium Garage Game Pass. Wait, we can spawn. Okay, we can't spawn it, right?
Stuff.
We can spawn the pickup truck.
No, we don't have it.
We don't have it, but if we have it, then we can probably spawn it because it doesn't show a lock on it. We cannot spawn the Danger because it has a lock on it. Wait, let's just look at all the cars we can spawn. So we can spawn the.
That's all we can spawn. Okay, there's
Oh wait, look at this.
No,
Spawn
it's all
again in
locked.
7 minutes and 50 seconds.
Whoa. It should be like 2-3 minutes.
You can only
max.
spawn once every 8 minutes if you don't have it. Wait. So
my
and you
God.
can customize. You can save it. Okay, wait. So the only things you can spawn
Is
are
Deja?
wait. No. You can spawn Camaro. You can spawn
Camaro.
Jeep. You can spawn pickup truck. You can spawn.
Nothing else. Only 3 things.
Okay, this is very bad because we can only spawn 3 things and the timer is 8 minutes.
I mean, it's a bit more improvement to the previous, which you cannot spawn, so it's a little bit better.
But
not the
8
best.
minutes?
Yeah, not 8 minutes, man. 3 minutes maximum. Still, that was
8
bad.
minutes is way too long.
That's too long, man. This is too long.
Oh my god, 8 minutes. Holy smokes.
Holy smokes.
Let's
Wow.
just check out if the guns are the same because we don't want too many guns over here.
We don't know any guns.
I'm just gonna be mean now.
Oh, that's bad. Okay. Need some cash cards.
Wait, so we can unequip the pistol. It's free. We don't own
Any of
this
Because
stuff.
we're in the Subway Easy Gaming, which you should do right now. Just do it. Yeah, win that account.
Yeah, we don't have anything. That's cool.
We have nothing. The last thing we have to show is that tier thing. It is very confusing. So we are an account which doesn't have any duffel bag.
Yeah, so
So we'll
let's
go-
just quickly
Go to the team and check if how
Anything
the
is
tier
different.
thing is different. Yeah.
Okay guys, so you guys can see here it
Oh,
says
it says
walk through sewer and climb out. So we're not gonna do that because there's a camping hop there, but yeah, it gives you tips and that's pretty cool. Okay guys, so yeah, we're just inside MSM.
I'm seeing if it's the same.
Normally, if we went in here and we grab mummy, it should give us 5 kg, so we're just gonna do that real quick. Guys, we changed our mind, we're getting burns.
Okay.
It's 1 out of 5 kg, so level 2 bag, if you just click on this, how much Robux in there? 50 Robux.
Okay.
Okay, wait, so 1 kg, 2 kg, 3 kg, 4 kg, 5 kg. Tier 1 is the base. Tier 2 is 6
Also,
kg.
it's basically 6 kg, 7 kg, 8 kg, 9 kg, 10 kg.
Wait, so this
5
is 6. Tier 2 is 6 kgs. Tier 3 is 7 kgs. Tier 4 is 10
No.
kgs.
Yeah, that's
So it means tier 3 might be 8 kgs.
8 kg. Tier 3 is 8 kg and then 2 kg.
Or maybe.
Let's just pull the
Oh,
lever.
wait, we didn't pull the lever.
It still feels so empty for some reason. Let's just
Yeah,
try.
it used to cover the whole
Wait, let's just try driving another boat.
See what it says.
What does it say? I thought it might be a little bit overpriced.
No, I thought it might say like
Buy Robux.
buy duffel bag level 2.
We're gonna go to this side. Hold the lever. People actually hold like this. We don't have anything. Let's see that army heli. The bro heli is open. What is the unlock? Yes.
We love an unlocked bra heli. Let's
Always
just make sure
lock
this
it
is still
4,000 cash.
yeah, because for the other one it was 8,000, so should be 4,000.
Should be 4,000. If that's the case, then you understood how much cash you get.
Yeah, and also train used to give 4,000 for duffel bag. Now it only gives 3,000 because 1.5
1,000.
1.5
Only gives 3,000.
into 2.
It's
So
double. So for some places it's like
decrease. Like
some
for
places
train,
decrease, some places
yeah, for like train it decreased.
I think that's how they balanced it.
So like for MSM it increased by 2,000, but for
bank-
like and
bank
even bank it increased. But for something like jewelry store or train, it decreased.
And power plant still stays the same.
Yeah guys, so that's probably gonna be it for this video. We'll see you guys next time. Also make sure to do this right here. See this? Sub TVC Gaming. Do it right now. Go down, check if the subscribe button is red. If it is, make it gray. Make sure to leave a like on this video. So yeah, that's probably gonna be it for this video. We'll see you guys next time. Hope you guys enjoyed the update. Have fun grinding to get the drone. The box is pretty cool too. We recommend everything. So far so good. And yeah, we'll see you guys next time. Peace.